How to fix the YouTube error. 153. Video player configuration error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. If YouTube videos aren't playing on your browser and you're getting that message, just follow along step by step and we'll get it solved. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. Now look at the top right corner and tap the three dots menu. From here, tap Settings. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security. Now find and tap Third-Party Cookies, or a similar option depending on your browser. Scroll down and tap See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search box, type YouTube, then press Enter. You'll now see saved site data from YouTube. Like cookies, tap Delete Site Data and confirm when it asks again. This clears the corrupted files that might be causing the error. Next step, let's check your browser extensions. Still inside Settings, go to Extensions. Now, disable all extensions temporarily. Once you've done that, head back to YouTube and try playing a video again. If the error is gone, perfect. That means one of your extensions was causing the issue. Now go back to your extensions and enable them one by one to find which one was the problem. This will help you avoid the error happening again. And that's it. By clearing YouTube's site data and checking your extensions, you should now be able to watch videos without seeing error 153 anymore. If this helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes.